Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Geometric manis are always popular, and Dixie Plates recently released a geometric stamping plate which I purchased through the UK and EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plates stamping plate Geo-mani. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a bright green stamping polish. Now when I scraped on Geo-mani, I only scraped once. I will also turn the plate for the best angle of scraping. I found the more times I scraped, the worse the image looked when I was doing my photo swatches, but one scrape and it's a great swatch. All the lines are crisp and clean. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a bright blue stamping polish. Now with this swatch I did have to scrape twice just because I wasn't happy with the extra line that had appeared. But when it comes to stamping down the image, I have slightly turned the stamper and stamped diagonally across the nail tip. This image is stunning, it really makes an interesting nail tip. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. You'll also notice that I'm applying a little bit more polish than I would normally, and this is just because I want to make sure I'm filling all the lines to get a really good swatch. And this design is looking really nice, much better than my photo swatch I did. The lines are crisp, clean and complete. For the next swatch I'll be using a black coloured nail tip along with a rose gold stamping polish. With line designs I do prefer to scrape in the direction of the lines, but it's definitely not as easy with Geo-mani because the lines go in every direction. Black and rose gold are a classic colour combo, and I did this for the photo swatch of this image and I just love how it looked. Again, I have gone diagonally across the nail tip. You can just get so much more on the nail when you do it this way. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. You might have also noticed that sometimes I hold the stamper in place for a few seconds longer, and this is just because I want to make sure the lines have taken to the nail tip. With fine line detail they can sometimes not take, so I'm just making sure, but again a really nice swatch again. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. Again I had to have a second quick scrape against the image. It wasn't completely covered. I will go into detail about why I'm only using one scrape once I get into the photo swatches, but another nice image which fills the nail tip really well and the lines are complete as well. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Dixie Plate stamping plate Geo-mani. Dixie Plate stamping plate Geo-mani is full of mixed size designs which are geometric inspired, of which there is 25 designs from the small to the large and everything in between. There is some really beautiful designs to create some really eye-catching geometric manis. You'll notice that some of the swatches are really good and some of them are missing bits here and there, and this was as I was getting used to the plate and how it needed to be used. I will say it was a learn as I went. So with the scraping, normally I would do 1 or 2 scrapes, but I found that doing this with the swatches, they didn't come out clean or crisp, but sort of missing bits from the line along with some stamping polish shadowing going on as well. So I tried scraping just once and the results were so different. They were clean, clear and beautiful. So for me personally, excess scraping is not a good way for me to get good swatches from Geo-mani, which I felt was very strange to me, but it's just the way it seemed to work for me. I also personally think this could maybe be more of an intermediate to advanced stamping plate just because of the scraping. This is just how I feel and I could be totally wrong. I've been stamping almost 5 years and I felt it was like I was learning all over again. When I scrape with line designs, I do, as I have said, like to scrape in the direction of the lines, but with Geo-mani this was just so difficult to do, as some of the designs have lines going everywhere. However, saying all of this, it is still a really nice stamping plate to have. For the mani, I've used a mauve gel polish as my base colour, and I've used 4 different images from Geo-mani to create this mani. I've used a stamping polish which is new to me, but it enabled me to rub in a carmelian pigment powder to the tacky layer of it. The effect is amazing, and it really shows the gorgeous designs of Geo-mani that I've used. I have added a small video clip so you can really see the effect that the pigment powder has, but I absolutely love how this mani looks. It's simple, but it's stunning. This is my last stamping plate swatch review for 2019, but I shall be back in the new year with some more amazing stamping plate reviews. I do still have a couple of videos to come to my channel this year, but I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who is subscribed to my channel and for taking the time to watch my videos and comments. You guys are amazing, so a big thank you. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plate's Geo-mani stamping plate. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!